The people of Afghanistan are known for their strength and determination. Afghan Wireless works to create opportunities and help Afghans stay connected with each other. Our mission is to bring the promise of a better future to every Afghan home, creating jobs and opportunities. Afghan Wireless has taken bold steps towards the goal of true sustainability. In remote valleys where electricity is rare and roads are few, we've delivered 3G and 4G connectivity, powered by the sun, built to last. We've reduced our reliance on fossil fuels, investing in solar energy and green infrastructure, not just for efficiency, but for the environment, the economy, and the children of Afghanistan. Converting sites from fuel to solar, Afghan Wireless has successfully converted more than 600 telecom sites from diesel generators to solar power. This shift not only reinforces our dedication to environmental sustainability, but also helps Afghanistan's transition toward cleaner, more resilient energy solutions. By significantly reducing our carbon footprint across the country, Afghan Wireless is playing a leading role in advancing sustainable energy solutions. We remain committed to reducing diesel dependency by transitioning all sites to solar and city power where feasible, supporting national environmental goals and energy security. Because sustainable development is not just a project, it is a lasting promise to future generations yet to come. Afghan Wireless is not just a telecom network, it is a vital part of the nation's development. In challenging times, we have rapidly connected returnees in Nangarhar, Kandahar, Nimroz and Herat provinces using high-speed fiber and microwave links to facilitate humanitarian aid. But we didn't stop at just connecting returnees. We provided free SIM cards, free internet, and free phone services, committed to serving our people. Our 4G services are proudly available across all 34 provinces of Afghanistan, and we are connecting Afghans with each other and with the world. Behind every antenna, every innovation, every solution is one purpose: to connect Afghans to one another and to the world. Afghan Wireless, committed to Afghanistan's prosperity and progress.
په افغانستان کې د 4G تر ټولو چټکه او ستره شبکه